Hello, YouTube. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the last day of the week. Friday. New York session is now live, guys. Market is literally just opening up right now. What's happening, everybody? How's everybody doing? All good, I hope. All right, let me just set up my screen just so I can get things in order. Perfect. All right. Let me get things in order. I'm currently in a gold trade, for those of you who are wondering. This trade, I plan on holding it for the rest of the day. So let's see what comes out of it. Fingers crossed. All right, I've got the chat open. For those of you who want to start talking and start chatting, come through. We are live. Everything's online. Damn, we already got 140 subscribers. It's not bad. Not bad. Me likey. We are live right now, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me see if I can go on TikTok and see if I could also go live on TikTok. All right. TikTok is getting all set up. Just setting up for TikTok. Okay. All right, so we're going to be doing a double trouble live today. We're going to be going live in two places. All right, for starters, we're going to be live on YouTube and we're going to be live on TikTok. That way we're going to be able to interact with everybody at the same time. Fun stuff, right? Okay, so let me get rid of this microphone. I feel like it's in everybody's faces. All right. Ugh, this is happening more often than not. I need to see if I could flip the microphone. I just fixed it right now. Because every time I adjust the microphone, it's like my hand touches this area, and this area, I don't even touch it, and it's like it switches off the microphone, which is kind of annoying. But it is what it is. Um, welcome, AS. I think maybe this is gonna be a meme. I feel like this is gonna be a meme. Every time I jump in on YouTube, I'm just instantly muted. This is gonna be a meme, my friends. This is gonna be hilarious. Okay, so um let's go ahead and check out what's going on in the news today. We've got no red folder news today, so we're good on that regard. Absolutely no red folder news. Um so yeah, welcome Riyadh, welcome AS. R35. Is that like an R35? What is that, like the Porsche? Or is that an Audi? It's either this or that. All right, so for me, I am in a trade over here. Let's see, where is my entry? I'm gonna look at it on a 1 hour time frame. My entry is literally right here. Kind of a late entry, but my stops is right below, and my TP is literally all the way up in the supply zone. So I'm already in this trade right now, and let's see what's gonna come out of it. Okay, it could come down into this box over here, and then fill up another like liquidity sweep and before going higher. So we're gonna have to wait and see on that regard. But fingers crossed that that's not the case. We simply just want to go higher from here, right? I'm risking $2,000 on this trade. All right, since it's a Friday. I'm risking $2,100, so $2,100. If it hits my stop loss, $2,100, and if it goes up to my TP, it'll be 6,600. So it'll be a nice mix. What's going on, Fox? I am live on YouTube. So usually on TikTok, I come on and I share my charts. This like when I'm on TikTok and I'm live streaming on TikTok, I'm just simply having a conversation and I'm teaching people about the charts. But right now it's New York session, and every day a New York session, I'm live on YouTube. So if you want to see the YouTube channel, it's called SCT Club. Just head over to YouTube and type down SCT Club. You're gonna find it. Like literally, just click in my profile. You're gonna see SCT Club. Once you're there and you click on my profile, you're gonna be able to see the SCT YouTube, which is where I'm live at. You're gonna be able to see the charts. You're gonna be able to see my PNL. You're gonna be able to see me in action live trading right now. So that being said, yeah, that's what I'm looking at for gold right now. 4 hour time frame, we are bullish, okay, but again, it is Friday, so I'm anticipating some form of manipulation where price is going to come down over here. Um, but we're going to have to see. I don't think that it's actually going to go. The name is SCT Club. SCT Club. You literally go on my profile and you're going to see SCT Club. Click on it and you're going to see the YouTube. SCT Club. All right. ASR would be great if you can just type it for me and just so I'll pin the message. SCT Club. All right. So yeah, so right now I'm simply just waiting to see what's gonna happen. The market's gonna open in 21 minutes, or actually to be precise, in 20 minutes. So I mean, it's technically already open, but the liquidity is going to come in 21 minutes. And this 4 hour candle is going to close in 49 minutes. So I'm expecting it to look exactly the way it is right now. I'm expecting just some sweeps here and there, but I'm expecting it to close in this kind of the same look as it is right now, like a doji, and then just aim higher from here. So that's what I'm expecting on um, on gold right now. We'll go ahead and take a look on the 1 hour time frame. I'm sorry, Ahmed, I can't read. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. كيف حالك حبيبي؟ شو أخبارك؟ تفضل. Um, so yeah, I'm expecting liquidity sweeps. So this gold trade is probably gonna go down to minus. I'm risking 2,100. Um, Here we go. Let's see if I can pin this message. There we go. Yeah, exactly. Thank you for the follow, guys. Appreciate it. Um, just head over to SCT Club YouTube if you guys want to see me live trading. في تداول اليوم ص... 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 صفقة ما أفهم صراحة. You guys are all writing in Arabic and I can't even read Arabic. حركة I- in مش فاهم. I don't understand, guys. Forgive me. Forgive me. I can't read Arabic to save my life. Um, okay, so again, so 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening over here. Can I read the Quran? Yes, with the help of like translations. Um, okay, so we have a imbalance over here, right there to there, which does get filled. Okay, it closes inside the liquidity sweep over here. The wick is literally a damage dealer. Okay, imbalance has been filled. Let me just put that in the box. 1 hour imbalance filled. Okay, and then في تداول اليوم حسب maybe. Me and you both, bro. Brad, bro, it's so hard to read Arabic. It's really difficult. I mean, I can speak Arabic, but then it's later. Yeah, exactly. AS, it's smart to head over to YouTube. And then we can go over to TikTok later. Hello, MK, how you doing? What's my main strategy? It's mostly market structure. Like I trade the market structure, price action, and liquidity. So be sure to get involved with that. I appreciate all the follows and I appreciate all the likes, guys. Bro, what's BTSD using? So we're gonna head over to Bitcoin. Um, go ahead on YouTube and you'll see what I'm looking at on the charts. Bitcoin is obviously dumping right now. You can clearly see it's literally back inside the consolidation box, which literally lasted for a whole month. This consolidation range was so painful. Really, really, really a painful consolidation box, and unfortunately we're back into it. It broke higher and we were super pumped about it. I mean, this was the high that was broken right here, right? It literally broke higher and then now it's just back to where it started. So, but we are at a relative equal low zone on Bitcoin. Like this is a relative equal low zone. Literally, it's a good place to buy in case it could go higher from here. The name of the YouTube channel is SCT Club. You can literally find the name on my profile. If you just head over to my profile, just click, you're going to see SCT Club. That is the name of the YouTube, and I'm live trading over there. Um, so yeah, this just looks like BTC is behaving pretty crazy. It's literally dumped in the last 2 days. It's completely tumbled down, which is unfortunate for all the Bitcoin traders. Um, I haven't gotten into a trade yet, so I'm looking for a rejection, which I can clearly see over here. If I go on a 1 hour time frame, you could see it again. On a 15-minute time frame, you could see it again. But then I don't see any displacement. And because I don't see any displacement, I'm not going to be making any decisions on Bitcoin. There's literally no displacement happening over here. So as long as in this range over here, there's no displacement, I'm not looking to make any decisions with Bitcoin. However, it is in a nice zone. Like, don't get me wrong, this is a very nice zone. Thank you for sharing the live, bro. You guys are awesome. You think it's going to kick back during the session? Yeah, probably. Look, once this market opens up in 15 minutes, I'm expecting a huge liquidity spike. But again, it's manipulated. So, although I'm bullish on, like, for example, gold, although I'm bullish on gold, I still believe that there is a lot of possibilities for it to come down and sweep liquidity, hit my stop loss, and then go higher. Like it's always a possibility. So let's see what happens. But I'm willing to risk a $2,100 for this trade in order to make 6,600. So for my current account that you see over here that's running right now, I'm literally risking 2,100 in order to make 6,600. So, fingers crossed. Let's see. What's your take on gold for the long term? I mean, 5 months, are we bullish to above 5K? I don't know, Al Kahtani, only because like I'm a price action trader. I don't really pay attention to the predictions. And to be honest with you, bro, Nobody really knows where price goes. This is a huge misconception in the industry. Nobody knows where price is going because if people knew where price is going, everyone would be multimillionaires. We can only speculate as to where it's going based on specific levels. So if we're going to be looking at gold right now, okay, if we're going to go on a higher time frame, such as a 4 hour time frame, you could see that it's like ranging, and overall it was bearish, and then now we've entered a bullish structure. And because we've entered a bullish structure, um, I'm anticipating it to go, because we've entered a bullish structure, I'm anticipating it to simply go higher from here. But then again, it could break the bullish structure and completely go bearish again. So nobody can actually truly define where price is heading. Like it's almost impossible. Whew, I got dry eyes. My eyes just got dry. Give me a second, guys. You know when your eyes just suddenly gets watery? I'm getting that right now. Ah, it's so dry. I need to I need to feed my eyes some water. Uh. Guys, head over to YouTube. Okay, YouTube, you'll actually see the charts because now you guys just see me. You see my green screen, and you're literally talking to just me. But if you want to see what I'm doing on the charts, and I'll explain my setup. I'll explain what I'm doing. It's on YouTube. I'm on YouTube Live right now. I'm always on YouTube Live from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. every single day, UAE time. 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's 1 p.m. Gulf Standard Time. That is 9 a.m. New York time. So I'm live every single day from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. UAE time, simply just to because I'm trading. This is where I trade. Like this is the period where I enter and exit the market, and I trade like 1, 2 hours a day, and it's usually between 5 to 7 p.m. That being said, I figured I might as well share my trades online. Not that I'm asking you guys to copy my trades. I'm not a signal provider. I don't want you guys to copy my trades, but I want you to understand why I take these trades. That's all. Um, is that valid? What is valid? ASR35. I'm replying on YouTube right now. Um, if you also want to join a trading community, guys, I have a trading community. It's literally SCT Club. Everything SCT Club. We are live on YouTube where we have live sessions, and we also have long videos, short videos, educational videos. And if you want to join the mentorship, like the courses and stuff, just head over to Discord. Discord is where I teach 2 times a week. If you guys want to learn how to trade completely for free, all you got to do is just tune into the trading community. What is your take on the trend tools like the MACD and bullish bearish indicators? That's a good question, bro, and I'll give you a straight up answer. Okay, I'll give you a straight up answer. I am completely against indicators. I'm completely against it, and there's only one reason why. Because you know what happens if you put a lot of indicators on your charts, which is something I have done when I first started trading. When you put a lot of indicators on the charts, you don't actually see price action. You don't see the candles because your chart kind of looks like a messy rainbow. Like it has all of these colors and glowing buy, sell signals and stuff. So first of all, it's messy and you can't see what's going on. Secondly, okay, another reason why I don't like indicators is because if you pay attention, the indicators they don't move. Price moves. When price moves and you have like a big huge move, then the indicator exactly looks like a carnival. Once price moves, then the indicator moves. So essentially, people are gonna be like, I've seen people are gonna look at the chart and they're like, I think like based on the RSI, it's exhausted and it's gone down, and because it's reached the outside of the RSI extension level, and because of the bullish divergence into the cumulative volume delta of the volume profile of the MACD's highs with the candle indicating that it's bullish and there's a buy signal, and the EMA is crossing the 50-200 line and the SMA of the MMA of the EMA. All of these things are laggy indicators. It's already passed. It's already gone. Like it's the market has already passed. Why are we talking about something that's already late? So that being said, when people are still deciding to buy or sell, I am already into the market. So that is why I'm completely against trend tools like the MACD and the indicators and this So there you go. You ask the questions and you already have the answers. So, you and I are like-minded people, which is fantastic. And you should join my trading community, bro. SCT Club. SCT Club is in the Discord. We have a Discord where we teach. And hold on, I'm on TikTok. So yeah, we are we are pretty active on Telegram. Telegram is where we post announcements. YouTube is where we post content, and Discord is where we teach. So yeah. I mean, look, Joyce already joined, and there's a lot of people who already joined. So the ones who have joined, you can ask them yourself. They'll tell you what they see. It's literally a place where you will, learn how to trade and have like an institutional mindset. Now I'm looking at YouTube comments. I will copy the mag here. Price probably will drop to 414, 400, and target 445. I hope this time I'm right and don't get hit by the stop loss. I only use volume. Bro, using volume is honestly the best. I mean, like I said, I'm against indicators, but if I were to use a specific indicator, I would use volume. I mean, I literally have volume over here. I either mark it by actually using the fixed volume range over here. Then I mark the lows and highs and I see which is the area where you're going to find the main level where price is actually going to be entering and exiting from. Um, or I actually use the indicator which summarizes it. Where is it? VP. Yeah, there we go. So it summarizes it for me. So, I like to take a look on it, but I don't make decisions based off of it. So volume indicator is important because volume literally shows you in real time who's buying and who's selling. Indicators see the past, indicators give the overall picture like 10% accurate of me. So I agree. That's a huge stop loss. Is that a 1-to-1 R? No, bro. I'm doing a big stop loss only because I have a big TP. Pretty demon. Yeah. So that's a pretty big stop loss uh, when we're looking at it on a small time frame. But right now, I'm looking at it on an hourly time frame, and I have a 3.8 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So for me, I'm risking $2,100 today in order to make 6,600. So for me, I kind of just because I'm expecting a lot of liquidity today. I'm expecting some liquidity. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it works out. Um, let's see. We don't see the chart. Yeah, Joyce, I'm live on YouTube. So I'm on TikTok right now just to have a conversation. Hi, R Al Ghafili. I'm just here on TikTok just to have a conversation with you guys, just to keep you guys. 'Cause I might as well hit two birds with one stone, So I'm live on TikTok and on YouTube, but YouTube is pretty much where I am live trading. So Joyce, if you want to head over to YouTube, you'll be able to see the full entire chart, which I highly advise you to go ahead and do. What's the time there here in the UAE? It's 5:24 p.m. 5:24. We got 6 minutes until the market opens, and we're gonna see a huge spike in liquidity. So super pumped for that, super excited for that. Let's see what happens. Um, Overall, gold is bullish, but we're in ranging right now. If it takes out this low, which is where my stop loss is, then price is gonna go down further into the demand zone. But for the time being, I am optimistic that the price is going to close as it is right now, like this. And I'll probably end up holding the trade late into the evening towards the end of the session, where it's probably going to close anywhere around here, or possibly even to the supply zone. I wouldn't bet on it reaching the supply zone, but let's see. There's also the possibility of price completely dumping, so let's see. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, to be honest. I'm gonna move it to break even. So just to be safe, because you know what? I'm seeing some clear indication that it could simply dump. So I want to be more cautious. Um, let's see. Simply want to be more cautious. What do you guys think? For me, I want to move my stop loss and risk the 2100. But at the same time, it is a Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't know. I need to figure this out right now. I want to see what my intuition is telling me. My intuition is telling me that on the 5 minute time frame, it's actually gonna go bearish from here. It's actually gonna go down past my entry. And if it goes down past my entry, it will hit my break even. If it hits my break even, then I'm out of this trade. Then I'll need to look for another setup. Gold is so bad these days, guys. I don't know. For those of you who are trading gold, it's horrible. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna dump. So I'm gonna go ahead and secure this. I'm just gonna take the 124. I believe it's gonna go down from here and possibly even lower. So I'm gonna go and place my entry in this box. So I just changed my mind. I'm gonna be placing my entry down over here. This is where my entry is gonna be, and this is where my stops are gonna be. I'm gonna extend the stops just a little bit, and I'm gonna increase my risk. So I was using a 0.25, and now I'm going to increase my risk to 0.5. 0.5, all right, and I'm placing my stops right below over here. Let's see if there's another level. Yeah, right here. So let me stretch this out over there. Okay, pull it down just a little bit over here. Perfect. So now I'm going to take this, copy, go ahead and place my stop loss over here. Bada bing, bada boom, and I am done. So now I'm even, in fact, I doubled my leverage. Like I literally doubled from 0.25 to 0.5, and now I'm actually risking only $1,200 in order to make let's see. In order to make 16 grand. So I'm risking 1.2 grand to make 16 grand. Obviously, I don't think I'll make 16 grand because it is going to be, well, welcome, Joyce. Obviously, I don't think I'm going to make 16 grand today because this TP is quite far for price to go literally from all the way here, 4,300, all the way to 4,700. It's very unlikely in one single day. So I'm probably going to take partials like halfway point over here. Actually, not probably, I'm definitely taking partials. And if I see rejections over here, I'll probably close full. So this is where I'm anticipating, but then price ends up doing weird stuff. Like see what happened in one day, price did all of this. So it's also likely that price can actually come here, fill this imbalance once again and go higher. So that's what I think is happening on gold. And we have literally a minute. We have a minute and 15 seconds. It is a good call. I feel so much better right now because risking 2100 with a massive stop loss, it goes against my rules. And at the time, I felt good about it, but then looking at the charts right now, and keeping in mind that it's also Friday, I do believe that there's going to be quite some manipulation, and this is pretty much the area where price will actually. If you want to see my YouTube, bro, the YouTube, it's SCT Club. SCT Club. SCT Club. You literally go on my bio and you just go on my bio. Guys, whoever's on my YouTube, ASR, Joyce, anyone, if you guys are on my YouTube and you all like you're on your PC on YouTube, but you're also on your phone and you're watching me on TikTok, I'd really, really appreciate it. Like I'll carry you on my heart. I'd really appreciate it if you can just write in my TikTok, just the SCT Club for anyone that's new and they're just asking. Because miskin, yani, I want people to also see what I'm doing because I can't have my eyes on the chart and on my trading platform and on the YouTube chat and on the TikTok chat all at the same time. Faisal, for gold, what is your strongest support zone that I can buy from? That's a good question because that's pretty much what I'm about to do right now. I'm looking for an entry inside 4,365. 4,365 is where I have a limit order, yeah, Fahad. That's where I'm looking to buy. Price might not even come over there, but this is a liquidity zone. So it's not even a support zone, it is a liquidity zone. And price loves a good liquidity. That's precisely where I have my buy limit order. Yes, but I'm not giving signals. This is not a signal. I'm literally just giving you just telling you where I placed my buy limit order. This is not financial advice. I'm not going to give you stop loss because this is not a signal group. This is a mentorship group. I'm literally just sharing my knowledge and education of the market. All right, so next week gold prediction, bullish. Okay, but depending on what happens today, that could quickly change into bearish. All right. So here is the bullish breaker structure over here. Since this happened, prices become bullish. Now, if we want to see it a bearish push, okay, we're gonna need to see price breaking this low over here. If price breaks this low over here at 4,351, uh, if breaks, market structure shift is now bearish, right? So this is the level. If price breaks over here, it's going to be bearish. And we're going to find out what's going to happen once the market moves. All right, so now the market it's been 1 minute. I don't see a spike of liquidity yet. So we're going to be patient on that. Let's head over to NASDAQ and see what's happening on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ has a lot of liquidity that's just come in. It's rejected off of this zone. Okay, this is a clean, very, very clean rejection over here. It's sniper entry clean. Unfortunately, I just missed it, but also fortunately, I didn't take the trade because there is no displacement. This is probably the displacement candle I'm looking for. I wanted to go lower over here before it starts going down. All right, thank you, Joyce. Appreciate you sending the message. Uh, thank you. I can't see what you're typing, bro. Fahad, guys, everyone who's in TikTok right now, you gotta understand I am live trading on YouTube. Live trading on YouTube. So please head over to SCT Club. Okay, SCT Club on YouTube. That's where I'm live trading. You can see I've pinned the message right there. Join SCT Club right now, live on YouTube. That's my professional trading portfolio. I appreciate you, Joyce, for writing the message. I'll pin the message every minute as best as I can. But SCT Club is where I am live trading right now. I can't read Arabic, yeah, Fahad. سامحني, bro. My Arabic really, I struggle reading Arabic. شو اسم فنات. I can't read it, bro. Um, SCT Club, guys. SCT Club. Nasdaq is bearish all week. Yes, it's absolutely bearish simply because of the war. All right, so I can clearly see over here a nice displacement candle. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter a 15 lot trade over here. All right. Or actually, I'm gonna do 5 lots over here. And then I'm going to increase it to 10 over here. And that way I'm limiting. So I have 2 orders, okay? It's limit orders. One is right over here, okay? And the other one is right over here. The lower one is over here and the higher one is over here. That's where I have my limit orders because I'm seeing a lot of displacement, which is good. Let's see. SCT Club. Thank you, Zahra, for sharing the YouTube. Okay, so I see a lot of displacement coming in. All right, price is becoming aggressive. It's a very aggressive move on the Nasdaq. I love it. I love to see this. You guys ready? All right, I'm looking for a sell order now. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be placing my sell position. I'm going to be entering 25 lots over here. So the other day, I've only entered like 5, 10 lots. I'm going to delete these orders and I'm going to quickly add a 25 lot over here because that's what I'm anticipating. All right, 25 lots is open. Perfect. Yeah. I'm pinning your comments. Guys, all of you who are tuning into TikTok right now, I am live trading on my professional trading platform, which is SCT Club. I'm on YouTube live trading. So literally head over to YouTube and watch me take these crazy moves. All right, Nasdaq is making moves, guys. So this is literally what I'm waiting for. This is where I'm going to be placing my stops and my take profits. Let's figure out where the take profit's going to be. It completely broke through the demand zone and it's targeting even lower. So how low is the market going to go? It's probably going to go down to this level over here. Hopefully there's a reversal so that we can have a nice entry so we can enter with the market. but you can never be too sure these days because of Friday's fun stuff. All right, so we definitely see a clean break on a 5 minute time frame and also on a 1 minute time frame. This is exactly a very attractive move that I'm looking for. We can also very likely see a small retracement over here. So I'm gonna place only five lots over here. All right, literally small, tiny 5 lots that I've placed right over here. Okay, you're gonna see me have a entry position right now. So I have 3 limit orders, two for Nasdaq and one for gold. So yeah, gold, I'm leaving it as is, untouched. Um, any questions so far? AS, Fahad, anybody else? Welcome, Fahad. Thank you for coming into the YouTube. Be sure to click like subscribe, guys, because like this is something I do every single day. So I want you to be part of it. Thank you for the follows. Guys, everybody join in our trading community. This is the professional trading community that I have. It's called SCT Club. All you got to do is literally go into my profile. You're going to be seeing SCT Club. Okay? SCT Club live on YouTube. Thank you for the follows, guys. Appreciate it. All right, so I'm literally waiting for a retracement right now. Price is very likely going to come higher over here, and this is where we're going to be seeing price going higher. So fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. It's crazy how like for those of you who are watching on TikTok and YouTube, it's crazy how beautiful I look on YouTube, but then on TikTok, the green screen kind of makes me look funny. All right, as you can see, it activated my 5 lot trade. Okay, it's literally just activated my 5 lot trade. Okay, I don't want it to stop here. I want it to go higher. I'm hoping it could go higher from here. So let's see. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed it goes higher because I want it to go and activate the real deal. The real deal is where I wanted to go. That's where I wanted to go, all the way up into the displacement zone so I can get into my second entry. Let's see. All right, it's almost there. It's almost there. Come on, baby. As you can see, but we can't see. Well, if you want to see me, you want to see my chart, just head over to SCT Club on YouTube. I am live trading on my professional account. This is my personal account. I'm literally using TikTok to have a conversation with you guys and have a good laugh and have a good time. This is where I kind of like sit and I talk about trading. But where I show my live trading once a day, every day from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. It's going to be on YouTube on my professional account, which is SCT Club. So head over into SCT Club right now, guys, if you want to learn more about trading. We got 4 new subscribers on YouTube. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate it very much. There's going to be a lot of content. Actually, no, we got 8 new subscribers today. Guys, thank you for the subs on YouTube. I sincerely appreciate it. Um, Exactly. So thank you for tuning in. Joyce, again, once again, appreciate you sending the messages. So head over to SCT Club live on YouTube. The live is going to end in 20 minutes, so come through if you can. Um, Price is reaching. It's literally reaching towards my second sell limit order, which is where I wanted to go. It's struggling to get there. It is actually struggling to get there, and it's making me a little bit mad. I already have a sell position here, but it's only 5 lots. The big one is right here, 25 lots. Once it hits this 25 lots, you're going to be seeing some crazy price action, guys. Crazy, crazy moves. So let's see what happens. Fingers crossed it goes over to the second one. Fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. Bear with me. Now live on YouTube. Gotcha. So yeah, welcome everybody. People who are just tuning in on people who are just tuning in right now on the people who are just tuning in on TikTok. Keep in mind I am live trading on YouTube. The YouTube is literally called SCT Club. I'm live on YouTube, SCT Club, and I've got my charts on the screen, literally showing you guys everything. Everything. Right now, we have a clean market structure shift. All right. I mean, it's already bearish. We already know this. Like, price is already bearish, but there are displacement candles that just came in. Okay. You could clearly see them. 1, 2. All right. 1 and 2. So these display 1, 2, and 3. So now that we have these 3 displacement candles and it took out this low, this is a break of structure on a 1-minute time frame. Did we activate the trade? Yes, we did. We did activate the trade. All right, so now I'm risking around $1,500. Okay, price is pushed in, and here comes the dump. Here is the big moves, guys. This is the big move that I'm talking about. I literally got a sniper entry right here. Literally, this is happening live on YouTube, live on TikTok. Perfect entry. I'm up almost $1,000 right now. We are heading downhill from here. Let's see what happens. I'm up almost $1,000. Let's see the market push right here. Sniper freaking entry, guys. Let's see. We want to see it go lower now. I'm not moving my stop loss just yet. I'm going to keep it as it is because it could go up even higher just to have like a breather. It could even head over to my stop loss and hit it instantly, but that's okay. I'm willing to risk $1,500 in order to make around $10,000. So let's just see what happens with price action right now. It is a Friday. Market manipulation is expected to take place. So right now, I'm simply just waiting. I'm in a trade and I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to sit and wait. Guys, go. What are you saying, bro? What do you guys think? People who are watching on YouTube, the ones who are watching, does this all make sense to you guys? Hopefully it does, guys. Hopefully what I'm showcasing right now is making sense to you guys. Let's see what price does. I want to see it go lower from here. So I'm not moving my stops as of yet. I'm not taking partials as of yet. I'm simply going to wait for the market to dump from here. It is a crazy entry, bro. It literally is a sniper entry. It's literally a sniper entry, bro. It's the most beautiful sniper entry I've seen in a long time. Look at that. I'll show you. If you're on TikTok, I'll show you guys. Look at it. Literally a sniper entry. Perfection. Literally. Absolute perfection. So, let's see. Hopefully it doesn't reverse. It's not showing clear. I mean, there is a lot of liquidity. You can clearly see there's a lot of liquidity. Bada bing, bada boom. There is a lot of liquidity going on. That's what you learned from me. Good, good. That's what I want you to learn from me. I want you to learn that it's important to have a risk management plan. Risk $1,500 to make $10,000. That's how your risk to reward ratio. You could lose for 4 times. You could lose 4 trades in the whole week, and it'll take you 1 trade to come back and make money from all of the losses that come through. So this is something super important to learn from. So I'm not moving my stop loss, guys. I don't feel comfortable moving my stop loss yet. However, I am simply going to be patient and wait and let the market do its thing. Not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna FOMO, not gonna close early. I'm simply just gonna wait for the price to do its thing and to come back. Guys, for those of you who are tuning in on TikTok right now, I am live trading on YouTube. SCT Club right now, live on YouTube. Okay, I just pinned the comment, SCT Club. YouTube is SCT Club. If you want to see me live trading, just head over to YouTube, type down SCT Club, and you're going to find my chart. You're going to find my entry. You're going to be able to see what I'm doing right now, live on New York session on the NASDAQ. I also have a gold limit order, but I'm not really gonna, uh, it's too far. Gold is literally too far, and there's literally nothing going on in gold. Let's look at gold. What's happening? It's not even moving. So I'm not too excited about gold. So for now, I'm just gonna be patient and pay attention on Nasdaq, since Nasdaq is literally the most volatile instrument right now that I've been looking at for the past couple of weeks. If you want to learn, bro, I can be your mentor. I'm more than happy to be your mentor. Completely free. All you got to do is head over into the Discord trading community. So I've got a Telegram, I've got a Discord, I've got YouTube. All of these things are there. All right, looks like price is going against me. Maybe probably a second imbalance fill. This looks like it could be a cleaner imbalance fill over here. which it just did. If it goes higher here, maybe I should be a little bit concerned, but hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully it reverses from here. Okay, we can see it weakening. This is a good sign if we see it weakening. Okay, now it's getting stronger again. This is not a good sign. All right, it's literally at my entry point. It's rejected. It's coming back down. It's literally filled the imbalance completely right now. It's a clean imbalance fill. If it goes higher, I should be concerned and it might hit my stop loss, and that's okay. But if it doesn't hit my stop loss, it's going to go straight down to where I want it to go. So let's see. We're gonna sit and we're gonna wait. We're gonna let price do its thing. Guys, you should never panic. Even if it will head and hit my stop loss, it is what it is. This is market. This is how it happens. You're gonna win some, you're gonna lose some, but what's important is you gotta win so much more than when I mean you gotta have the like your wins. Even if you lose 10 times and you have one win, you gotta make sure those 10 times you lose have small stop losses as opposed to the TP. As you can see, my TP is literally all the way down here, right? This is what's the risk to reward ratio? It's a 10-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if it hits my stop loss, so be it. I'm out of the trade and I'm done for the day. And if it goes down, that's exactly what I wanted to do. And I'll be happy for the next week. I'll be solid for the next week. So I'm already up for the week. Yesterday I was down $1,000. Today I'm risking $1,500. So hopefully we can see price go down from here. You gotta let it breathe. You gotta let the stops be literally at the last swing high. And honest blog, it's not gonna cost you anything for me to be your mentor. It's completely free. You simply just need to tune in to my trading community, which is on Discord or Telegram, or YouTube. Literally everything is professional on SCT Club. SCT Club is my professional trading community. On my personal trading community, like my personal life, it's right here. This is my username. Faisal AR is my name, like this as like my title, Faisal AR. It's literally my name on Instagram, it's my name on TikTok, it's my name on Snapchat, it's my name on Discord, it's my name on X, it's my personal account everywhere. But if you want to get on my professional account, it's SCT Club. That is precisely where I teach people how to trade. And right now, I am live trading on YouTube, and I'm literally just showcasing what my trade of what I'm doing right now. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. I am not giving signals. I'm not telling you guys to copy my trades. I'm simply just showcasing what I'm doing with my trading portfolio. So now I'm going to wait for the market to do its thing. It's playing with my emotion. As you guys can see, it's literally playing with all of our emotions. Is it going to go higher and hit my stop loss? I don't know. It's possible, maybe. Hopefully not. We want to see price go lower. So we're just going to hold our guns and simply just wait for price to go lower from here. As I've entered a 30 lot trade, it looks like it actually might hit my stop loss. I'm not sure. It's being a bit iffy. It's being a bit iffy. Like you can see that there's rejections on the downside, so it wants to go higher, but there's also rejections on the top side. So it's literally just playing with our feelings right now. So let's see. If price breaks above this level right here, precisely over here, if it breaks above this level, then we are probably going to see it hit my stop loss. There's a high probability that it might hit my stop loss if it breaks above this level. But if it doesn't break above this level and it starts going down from here, then that is a very good sign. That is a very, very, very good sign. So let's see. Fingers crossed it goes down from here. This is probably the dump. Probably not. We still have 10 more minutes until the new hour. So we're going to have to see what happens. What's your perspective on a stigma surrounding trading as a scam? Bro, trading is not a scam because if it was a scam, I wouldn't be profiting or losing money. I mean, I wouldn't be trading live if it was a scam. But unfortunately, the industry has completely contaminated the the value of trading because a lot of people, at the end of the day, why do people get into trading? People get into trading because they want to make money, right? So when you head over to the charts and you or watch YouTube and you start seeing people make a lot of money, like right now I'm up $500, kind of. Once you start seeing people making a lot of money, it gives you this dream that like, okay, that could be me. And realistically speaking, it can be you. It's not impossible. It's very, very possible. But when you have people that are telling you, I have a 100% winning strategy, that's impossible. Because there is no such thing. There is absolutely no such thing as a 100% winning strategy. If you head over to my YouTube right now, Aldebaran, you can see that I'm live trading right now. I was literally minus 700, minus 800 right now, and now I'm up $1,100. And I'm taking calculated risks based on my trading strategy, and I'm also sticking to rules, and I'm not trading based on emotions. I was literally just now minus 800, and nobody on my YouTube or you guys on TikTok for that matter saw me panicking. I'm not sitting and panicking and sitting and I'm doing this and oh my God and whatever. No, I'm just sitting, I'm chilling, I'm vibing with you guys. I'm up $1,700. I am not going to take that money. I'm going to let it run because I have a plan, I have a strategy. And based on that strategy, I have a high probable setup. And because I have this high probable setup, I end up winning more trades. So when you say what is my perspective on it, on the stigma surrounding trading as a scam, you need to understand one thing. In the entire globe, the whole planet, not countries or anything, the entire planet, you're gonna see that there are so many people that lose. And if you wanted the statistics, since you're a man and I'm a man and us men, we like numbers and statistics, trading is like 95% of people lose money in trading. 95%. So if there's 100 people in this room right now, there's 100 people watching, right? From 100 people over here, 5 of us are profitable and 95 of us are not profitable. And why are the 95 not profitable? Because they trade like they go with trading in such an emotional way. Yeah, ASR, I am calm. I'm calm because I know my strategy works. I have my rules and I stick to it. This is actually what keeps me even more calm, the fidget spinner. But wait till you see what's gonna happen right now, AS. You're gonna either see it reverse and go back up, or it's gonna break this level. I want to see it break past this level right here. This is the level I need to see it break. Once it breaks over here, as you can see, it rejected. So it's gonna go higher over here. It's probably gonna bounce over here. Probably gonna hit this imbalance over here. This is also another place where you can have a second entry. So once it comes up to this place over here, you can add literally another entry on this level over here. Like literally right at the 50% point over here, you can add a second entry if it goes over there. There is a probable chance it's going to go there. But then now you're just going to watch it dump. I am literally up right now as I'm speaking to you guys. I am up $2,500 and I'm still not going to make a move. SCT Club, the guys, you can see SCT Club is my professional trading community. They are literally in the chat right now. Welcome. You guys need to sit and subscribe because that is my trading community where I sit and teach how to trade this way. If you don't believe with me, like if you guys don't trust that I'm profitable, you can literally just go on YouTube. You can like literally click YouTube, type down SCT Club, and you're gonna find me live trading with my funds. You could see my charts, you could see my face with my charts, with everything. The proof is right there in front of you guys. So you can literally see all the other people. Like there's people here in the TikTok, there's also people here on the YouTube. They will verify for the fact that I'm here live trading with you guys. So if you want to learn how to trade and get to this level of calmness and to completely avoid and like run away from all these scammers who keep trying to sell you courses and stuff. If anyone who's trying to sell you a course where you got to pay money to become a trader, then you are getting scammed. But if you're actually spending with time with somebody who's just teaching you the way I do, or they're just showcasing what they're doing, then that is skill. Because the people who are selling you courses, they will never go live trading with you. And people who don't go live trading, well, it's kind of common sense, right? If they're not going live trading, what does that tell you? It simply tells you that they are not legit traders. I'm up $3,100 right now, guys. $3,100 and still it's going. Price is dumping and I'm not closing yet. The Nasdaq is dumping and today I'm targeting $10,000. I'm trying to make 10 grand today. All right? Let's see what happens. 10 grand today, guys. Are we going to get 10 grand today? That's a big question. I'm up 3,000. SCT Club live on YouTube. Thank you for sharing that message, Joyce. I appreciate it. I was 100% right, bro. There's no such thing as 100%. There's no such thing as 100%. ASR, there's no such thing as 100%. There is a 70% probability. I'm 70% right, but the 70% is coinciding with my decisions right now. So price is literally reacting to my strategy. All right, so I'm literally just waiting on the market to do its thing, and I'm not going to lift a finger. I'm just going to let it keep running. Not closing anything. I'm going to be a little bit greedy today. I'm going to be a little bit greedy today. You need to make a video about how calm I am. You know what? This video, this live recording right now that we're doing, that you can see right now, this live recording is recorded and it's going to be posted. At the end of the stream, when I close this YouTube stream, I'm still going to, like, this video is going to be posted. So, you want a video about how calm I am? Voila, this is the video. I'm up $3,700, guys. SCT Club live on YouTube. Entry, please, bro. I'm not going to give you signals. This is not a signal group. I'm up 3,800. We're going to keep going, guys. We're going to keep going. We're not there yet. I'm going to go ahead and take some partials over here. I'm going to close half. I've taken some partials. I'm good. So from 3,800, I just secured 3,700. The YouTube channel is SCT Club, bro. SCT Club. SCT Club. SCT Club. Go on YouTube and you'll find it. I have a guy in the comment over here. He literally put the message. So I just pinned the message. SCT Club. Am I buying or selling, bro? If you go on YouTube, you'll see if I'm buying or selling. SCT Club, bro. If you head over to YouTube, you'll see exactly what I'm doing on the charts and how I am robbing the markets legally. Literally robbing the markets. I am robbing the market in the bright early day. I'm going to go ahead and leave this trade open. As soon as I see one single bullish candle, then I'm going to take another partial. Price is still dumping, so I'm going to keep holding. I'm going to let it run and do its thing. Not closing yet. We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red candles. So I'm going to go ahead and take a partial over here because price did not close below over here. So I took two partials right now. As you guys can see, I'm now currently still up $1,000. You're feeling stressed and I'm not even on the chart. Bro, what do you mean? You can't be that stressed. You can't be stressed from my live trades, bro. There's no way you're stressed from my live trades. That's crazy. This is how I'm literally dealing with my stress. Fidget spinner. Call me old-fashioned, but this shit works all the time, man. This shit works every single time. So right now I literally have a 5, 6, 7, 7, yeah, 7.5 lot trade open right now. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and take more partials right here. Partial after partial after partial. That's all I'm doing. Taking more partials. Literally have right now a 1 lot trade open. So I'm gonna take another partial. I'm literally securing all the partials because this is where price is completely dumped. It's exhausted right now. It's completely exhausted. Partials after partials after partials, and that's it. That's it. I'm closing fully over here. How much have I made today? You guys want to know? I made $4,000, guys. $4,000. Just like that. And how long did I make $4,000? Let's see. Let's do the math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 minutes. In 17 minutes, I've done $4,000. And price is still dumping. Price is still dumping. However, I'm glad I took I'm glad I took partials and closed fully because it's reached to this level over here. So this is one level of resistance and this is the second level of resistance. And you could see that price is come down all the way over here and it's rejecting off. So now I'm officially out. However, I'm looking for a second entry. I'm going to take another entry over here. And this other entry is going to be over here. So I've already secured this. And I'm going to close over here, which I did. All live on stream, guys. No bullshit. Real trading, no bullshit. This is where I'm going to have a second order of business over here, placing my stops above. I'm not going to do 25 lots. I'm going to reduce my risk. I'm going to do 15 lots. But we still have a long way to go before price goes back over there. So let's see. Actually, not even gonna do 15. No, I'm gonna do 15 lots. Gonna be greedy. Gonna play with my profits. So, gonna do a 5 lot here. All right. So I'm gonna have multiple. So I'm gonna place a limit order here, limit order here, limit order here, limit order here. Ooh, excuse me. All right. So 5. Bada bing, bada boom. Another 5 here, and then 10. So I'm gonna add a 20 lot position over here. But I don't think price is gonna go over there. And thank you, Great Red Week. Thanks for your time. What do you mean Red Week, bro? What do you mean Red Week? Are you losing? While I'm out here making money, you're sitting and losing. Do you have a WhatsApp group where you drop signals in a trading plan? Hell no, bro. Hell to the no, no. I don't do signals. I live trade. I show the magic on the charts. Okay, so you know that I'm not bullshitting. I live trade. I show you the magic. I teach the magic. I explain the magic. And that's it. No signals. If you're a signal person, then this is not the place for you, bro. You can head over to all the scammers who do signal groups. This is a place where I teach you how to become a full-time profitable trader. Full-on, full-time profitable trader. You don't need anybody. Absolutely don't need anybody. No signals, no dependency. Ask me for signal again, and I'm gonna ignore you because I don't like people who look for signals. Signals are it's just a lazy way to make money, and you're gonna end up making money for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, and that's it. You're out. How do I give signals? I mean, come on, those of you who are watching my YouTube right now, you can literally see uh تسوي 1000 أنت bro. I literally made 4,000. Um, if you guys, think about these people who do Signals Group, how are they profiting in Signals Group? When literally price came to my limit order, it literally touched it at a sniper entry and it came all the way down. If that is happening, how the hell, how the hell do people enter a trade with a Signal Group, You're interested in what I do, you're standing by, bro. So head over into my YouTube. You're gonna see literally on YouTube my live trades. Head over to the YouTube and you will see my live trades. I'm live trading on YouTube right now. And actually, to be honest, it's 6 p.m. I'm about to wrap it up and I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna call it a day. If if the price comes back over here and it gets activated, then I'm in. And if it doesn't, then I'm not in. But this is basically how I trade. New York session, guys. 30 minutes and I'm out. Riyadh, I'm out. Have a great weekend, Faisal. From now on, you're my partner in trading, bro. I got you, bro. I got you. For the rest of my life, bro, I got you. Just show up. I keep telling you guys over and over again. Show the hell up. Show up on TikTok. Show up on YouTube. Show up on Discord. Show up on every single platform there is that SCT Club is live. And me. Why? Because this is the only way you're going to learn. Because it's not easy to learn trading. Trading is actually hard. I make it look easy because I've been doing this for 5 years. I make this look easy because I have been doing this for 5 years. And that is how I literally made $4,000 on camera in front of you guys. And this video is recorded. You can come back to the YouTube and watch it again and again. The YouTube channel, Sinku Malutu, it is SCT Club. SCT Club. All you gotta do is head over to SCT Club and you're gonna be able to find the YouTube. And if you can't find it, guys, no problem. The video is recorded and it's going to be posted on the channel immediately once I end the stream. And all you gotta do is head over to SCT Club or send me a DM. If you're on TikTok right now, send me a DM message. Just send me a message and say, hey Faisal, I want to learn how to trade, and send me the links. And I'm going to send you the YouTube, the Telegram, and the Discord. The YouTube is where I take live trades, okay? And I post daily content. Every single day there's content, and there's a place for stock traders, crypto traders, gold traders, forex traders, crypto traders. It is literally a group for everybody. It really depends on what you're into. It's a place for everybody. Live on YouTube, ending the YouTube stream right now. So thank you for showing up, Riyadh, ASR, and let me see how many people are watching on YouTube. I haven't taken a look. We have, goddamn, that's a lot of messages to scroll up from. We have 15 people watching and we have 11 new subscribers today. So for the 11 people that just subscribed on YouTube, thank you guys so much for being part of the trading community. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for being a part of it. For the 15 people that are watching right now, it's been real. Be sure to join our Discord. The links are in the bio. Be sure to join our Telegram. The announcements are announced over there. And hell yeah, 4 grand. 4 grand in 17 minutes. This is like it's a new milestone for me, to be honest with you guys. It's a new milestone. Usually I make around $1,000 a day, but going up to 4 grand is insane. This is insane. I'm gonna have a nice weekend. I'm gonna have a nice flooding weekend because like Dubai is kind of under a lot of flood right now. So yeah, price is gonna continue going down for the Nasdaq, as you can see on the 4 hour time frame. Like I said, it broke through the demand zone and it's just gonna keep going lower. But before it goes lower, it's just gonna go up a little bit for liquidity sweep and it's gonna go lower. So yeah, thank you, Joyce, for coming with me on YouTube. Everybody that's coming into the YouTube SCT Club is going to be the place that's going to change your life, guys. It is going to be the place where you're literally going to level up your trading experience for free, might I add. I'm not charging anything. The only thing I want is for you guys to follow me, to follow my moves, to follow and subscribe. I need an army, guys. I need an army of willing traders. I need an army. I want you guys to be hungry. I want you to say, I'm hungry. I want to be a profitable trader. That's the kind of community I want to create. I don't want to create a community of lazy people saying, bro, signal. Bro, should I buy here? What's the TP? What's the stop loss? Why are you so lazy, bro? I'm sitting and teaching you. That's the people who show up and they want to learn. You are my people. You guys, I will freaking fight for you. I'll show up every day. I'm going to be live every day. I'm going to talk about trading every day. We can even like travel together at one point every freaking month if we want to. So to get to that point, you need to show up because I cannot actively carry you and put you on YouTube. I cannot carry you and put you on TikTok. You guys want to learn how to trade? This is the place. If you don't, I challenge anybody. I challenge anybody on a trading duel. I challenge any other trading guru out there that gives signal on a trading duel. I challenge them to go live and they go challenge. I challenge everybody. Come at me, bros. Challenge me. It's not an ego trip. It is just simply me stating the facts. I am transparent. I'm straightforward. You want to learn how to trade for free? I challenge anybody. Anybody, I challenge you. Come at me because I share everything for free. I am live and I'm sharing the results for free. I'm active on TikTok, on Telegram, on Discord, and YouTube, and I drop videos every single day. I challenge anybody who has any doubt. And that's all I gotta say. You guys want to learn? Show up. That's all I want. I don't want anything else from you guys. I just need you guys to show up. All right, guys, I'm going to end the stream on YouTube and I'm going to talk to you guys on TikTok just for a couple of minutes. And I'm also going to wrap it up on TikTok. So for YouTube, guys, you got a kiss. Peace out. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Thank you very much for tuning in. Woo! What a day. That's crazy. 4 grand.